Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You will start now by confirming prerequisites and running the very first commands. First, make sure Flutter SDK is on your path and run Flutter Doctor to resolve issues. Once done, install Vscode and the Flutter and Dart extensions so you have proper tooling. Next, create a new project with Flutter Create My App and immediately open that folder in Vscode. This gets you from nothing to a working scaffold so you can run and iterate fast. Now you configure and execute the app. You must pick a device or start an emulator from the Vscode status bar. This determines where your app runs. Then use Run and Debug or simply Flutter Run in the integrated terminal to build and deploy. If you need hot reload, press R in terminal or use the Vscode hot reload button. Make sure to set up launch. JSON when you need custom arguments, flavors, or specific debug profiles, so builds remain repeatable and clear. Finish by stabilizing your workflow and knowing how to fix problems quickly. You should validate hot reload works and perform full rebuilds whenever you change native plugins or platform code. If something breaks, run Flutter pub get, rebuild, and confirm SDK path and platform tools are accessible. Also check Vscode extension status and reload the window. If errors persist, run Flutter Doctor V and address the highest priority issue first. This single step resolves most startup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.